It is a time when we thank for sharing, even as God shared His Son with us.
Go ahead.
May the blessing of peace be ours, the peace to build and grow, to live in harmony and sympathy with others, and to plan for the future with confidence. God grant us these protections as we live with each other as a people on this earth. May we remain receptive to God's plan and be willing to be used as instruments through who these requests might we fulfill it.
Amen.